boys and girls. Today we're going to read The Desert again, and after we read it together and you read it once on your own, you're going to answer questions about it. Listen as I read The Desert. The desert. Deserts cover about 30% of the land on the earth. The largest desert on earth is the Sahara, which is in Africa. Many people think that a desert is always hot, but some deserts can also be cold. All deserts get less than 10 inches of rain each year, so they are very dry. Because there is not much water, only special plants and animals can survive in the desert. A cactus has big, shallow roots to collect water and sharp needles to keep animals away. Lizards, coyotes, snakes, and camels are some of the animals that live in the desert. The animals are usually active at night when the weather is cooler, and they rest in the shade during the day. There is even a type of fish called lungfish that can live in the desert by burrowing down in wet mud. Okay, go ahead and press pause. Try reading The Desert all on your own. Then push play when you're ready to answer the questions. Okay, are you ready for the first question? You'll need your blue crayon. What is true of all deserts? Go back into the text. Find the sentence that tells you something that all deserts have. Color that sentence blue, then write your answer on the line. Okay, get your red crayon. How does a cactus protect itself from being eaten by animals? What is it that a cactus has on the outside? Go ahead and find that sentence that tells us about cactus and highlight it with your red crayon. Then write how it protects itself from being eaten by animals. Okay, the last one you'll need green for. How does a lungfish survive in the desert? I remember us getting told about that at the end of the text. Go ahead and find the sentence that tells us what the lungfish does to survive in the desert. Highlight the sentence green, then write your answer. Okay. One last question. Would you rather live in a cold desert or a hot desert? Why? Go ahead and write your answer. Excellent job. I'll be around to check in to make sure that you're all set with your work. Keep up the good work.